In this video, I'll show you how you can turn on or off the parental control in Roblox. Now first, what you want to do is you want to open up Roblox and log into your account. From in here, you want to click on the cogwheel and go into settings. Now once you're in here, what you want to do is you want to find the parental controls, and from in here you can make a PIN code that you don't give to a child. Then you have to confirm the PIN code on some things. From down here you can choose for ages, as there's some 17 plus games, so you can just choose the 9 plus, then they cannot join any of these. Now another thing you can do is you can head into privacy and allow account restrictions by making this green. Now when you allow this, it will make a lot of the older games for the older people, unavailable. So if you click on that, it will mostly be the child games that's available. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.